Have you been seeing ads for the Qinux Aquoxis claiming it can turn an ordinary garden hose into a powerful pressure washer? The demonstrations look impressive, showing dirt, mold, and grime blasting away instantly, almost as if a professional pressure washer is being used. But the real question is whether this small attachment can actually produce that level of cleaning power, or if the advertising is simply exaggerating what the product can do. Qinux Aquoxis is marketed as a high-pressure cleaning tool that uses something called hydropower technology, suggesting that it can dramatically increase water pressure without electricity, motors, or pumps. At first glance, that sounds convenient, especially for people who want a quick way to clean patios, cars, outdoor furniture, or driveways using just a regular hose. However, when you start looking closer at how water pressure works, some questions begin to appear. Water pressure coming from a household hose is limited by the plumbing system itself, so simple attachment cannot truly create the same force as a real pressure washer. Another thing worth noticing is how the advertisements present the product. Many promotional videos show extremely powerful cleaning streams that look very similar to professional electric or gas pressure washers, which can create the impression that the small nozzle delivers the same performance. Yet products that look almost identical to this attachment can be found on various wholesale platforms where generic hose nozzles are sold under many different names at much lower prices. The marketing around hydropower technology is also described in very vague terms, without any clear technical explanation of how the pressure would actually increase. You may also notice common online sales tactics such as limited time discounts, big percentage offers, and claims of thousands of satisfied reviews that are difficult to independently verify. In reality, the Qinux Aquoxis appears to function like a basic hose spray nozzle that may help focus the water stream, but that is very different from replacing a real pressure washer. So before deciding to purchase, it's a good idea to look beyond the dramatic ads, understand what the product actually is, and consider whether the claims match the practical limitations of a standard garden hose.